Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to automatically download subtitles in VLC on your phone. Step 1. Open the VLC app. First open the VLC app on your phone. Now tap on the video you want to watch. Step 2. Open the subtitle menu. While the video is playing, tap the screen once. You will see the controls appear. Tap the speech bubble icon or subtitle button at the bottom. Step 3. Tap on download subtitles. Now tap download subtitles. VLC will automatically search for online for the subtitle file that matches your video. Step 4. Choose the subtitle file. You will see a list of subtitle options. Pick the one that looks accurate. Usually the first one works best. Tap download. Step 5. Subtitles load automatically. VLC will instantly load the subtitles into your video. Play the video again and you should now see the subtitle sync on screen. Step 6. If download doesn't work, if subtitles doesn't appear or show an error, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Then update VLC to the latest version. Re-tap download subtitles and try another option from the list. Step 7. Manual file option. If nothing downloads, you can also add subtitles manually. Tap on subtitles, open subtitles file, then files app, then select any SRT file you have downloaded, and that's it. That's how you auto download subtitles in VLC on your phone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.